Hello everyone, welcome to Code Kudos. In today's video, let's talk about transaction in JDBC. Transactions are concept within database that enables us to control when the changes are applied to a particular database. Transactions treats a single SQL statement or group of SQL statement as a one logic unit. If any of the statement fails, the whole transaction fails, thereby keeping the integrity of the database intact. Let's go ahead and check how transactions work within our program. As you can see here, I have already defined my connection variables. Now I'm going to create my connection object. For this try block, now I have to define a catch as well. The catch block will be a SQL exception. In JDBC, all the transactions by default are auto-committed. So to prevent that, we have to define the auto-commit as false. To do that, connection.set auto-commit as false. This prevents our JDBC to auto-commit by itself. Let us define some queries. So as you can see, I have defined my SQL query. Now I have to commit the changes to my database. So to do that, I'm going to write a commit statement inside another try block. So let us try. So this commit method will commit my changes that I have made to the database. Let's say if I get any error while executing this query, I have an option to roll back, that is to ignore the changes that I have made to the database. So if there is any exception, while committing the changes, I will be catching the exception and I'm going to execute this rollback command. Finally, we need to close our connection. So to do that, I'm going to do a finally block, and inside that I'm going to open another try block. So here I have closed my connection if the connection is not null. So let us see our program in action. So we have committed the changes and the process is finished. Let us check our database. As you can see, the entry has been added to our database table. Now let me purposely add some error in this query and rerun my program. As you can see from this message, it is trying to commit the changes, but as it is having an error in this statement, now my rollback statement is running. And if I check in my database table, there are no new entries to be found. Only the old entry is seen. Transactions are a very useful concept in database. They are mainly used for maintaining data integrity. Subscribe to Code Kudos to get upskilled in programming. Thank you.